The B2W Operations app keeps one platform field tracking, resource scheduling, and equipment maintenance capabilities mobile and connected, so your teams can work together from anywhere at maximum efficiency. The app enables accurate, immediate communication between the field, the office, and the shop, making it easy for employees to see their schedule, request resources, create electronic field logs, record performance data and labor hours, enter meter readings for equipment, make equipment repair requests, and analyze actual performance versus plan. Administrators can easily create unique security parameters for each individual mobile app user. Once logged in, these users will have access to specific field logs and functionality according to those permissions. From the app, employees with credentials can see the resource schedule in B2W Schedule. Knowing where employees, equipment, and materials are, and where they will be, helps them to address upcoming resource requirements. They can also communicate directly with the scheduling dispatching system to have those requirements fulfilled. Simply click on Needs to request a piece of equipment, crew, or employee. Identify the job, the type of resource, and the date and time requested, then submit. Instantly, or as soon as the app syncs with the B2W Operations platform, if it's being used in an offline mode, the new resource need becomes visible in B2W Schedule. From there, the scheduler or dispatcher can assign a specific person, crew, or asset to fill the need. The person who made the request will then see the status change in the app from requested to assigned. When creating electronic field logs with the B2W app, users have several options. They can start from scratch. They can use information from B2W Schedule. Selecting this will pull any employees, equipment, materials, job, and production targets that have been scheduled for that foreman to populate the field log automatically. They can also copy and modify a previous field log, a valuable time saver when jobs and crews are similar from day to day. All aspects of the job can be recorded on the field log: labor, equipment, materials, subcontractors, trucking, time and material, overhead or non-production work, and miscellaneous cost. Each company will be able to customize their field log in many ways, even have different versions across the company. They'll be able to rename sections or fields within any section, remove entire sections or fields to point the employees in the field at exactly the information you want them to collect. The B2W Grid View makes it fast and easy to enter core information in one place: employee hours, equipment hours, and production quantities. Users can even make additions to add work performed, employees, or equipment, all within one view. Hours can be broadcasted across multiple resources or individually entered. Over 35 different validation warnings can be configured to catch costly and time-consuming mistakes. Employee signatures can be captured to verify hours, and for other purposes such as acknowledgement of attendance at a daily safety meeting. Time and material information can also be added within this view, along with signatures for the T&M work performed. Equipment meter readings can be recorded in the electronic field log too. This can be the primary source of this data, or it can be used to supplement telematics information across the platform. Images can also be added to the daily field log from the app to illustrate job site conditions, supplement written information, or convey documents back to the office. Like resource requests, equipment repair requests can be created easily within the mobile app from anywhere. The repair request is submitted by choosing the piece of equipment, reviewing any outstanding request, and entering information you want the shop to see, including pictures of the equipment issue. When the request is submitted, it's visible immediately in B2W Maintain, so shop managers and mechanics can take action. Repair requests from the mobile app can then be used to create work orders for the mechanics. Timely analysis of performance versus the estimate is critical to keeping jobs on track. And the B2W Operations app uses data from field logs to compile a real-time summary with flexible formats that make it easy for leaders in the field to quickly assess variances in productivity, labor hours, or material and equipment utilization. The B2W Operations app works on iOS or Android tablets. With internet connectivity, communication across the B2W One platform is real-time, and the app can be used in an offline mode, and any activities, data entry, or request will synchronize with B2W Schedule, Track, and Maintain when a data or internet connection is established. From field log creation and data capture to performance analysis, payroll processing, and resource and repair requirements, the B2W Operations app keeps employees across workflows communicating and collaborating to streamline operations and drive profitability.